Hello captains, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a 777 operators quiz. So 777 is my favorite plane, but do I know which airlines fly it? So I think this is only passenger airlines. I will try typing in DHL. But yeah, this quiz is by Richie. This is from 2020, as you can see. So I don't think any airlines are different. But yeah, 777, one of the most popular planes and one of the safest as well. So let's go. Alright, what happened here? 57. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. DHL. Right, there isn't. Right, Malaysia Airlines. Come on. Malaysian Airlines, like, they do have a BA. British. Emirates. Right, let's do Europe first, I think. Austrian, Swiss, Air France. Now, Lufthansa doesn't have it. They did order the 777X, but of course that's from 2020. Only the Lufthansa Cargo has it. What else? Alitalia. VIP Alitalia. Turkish. Aeroflot. I will do all the Russians now. Aeroflot. Russia Airlines. Did they exist back then? What's the name of the airline? Transero. I don't think they existed. No, they dissolved way earlier. Right, American. Let's do North America now. American, Delta, United, Canada, Aeromexico. No, why do I keep thinking Aeromexico has it? Canada. Who else is then the Americans? LATAM. So these are alphabetically. We're on 15. Come on. Right, Africa, Egypt there. So majority will be Asian. Egypt there. Kenya Airways. South African. No, they don't have 777s. No, but TAG Angolan. Who else? Morocco? No. I'm just trying to think. Emirates, we've got Etihad. I think we'll move on to Asia now. Garuda. Malaysia Airlines. Malaysian. That's weird, but okay. Singapore. JAL. ANA. Come on, ANA. Do I have to type it in? Oh, Nippon Airlines. Okay, fine. They don't count. I don't know why. Air India. PIA. Come on, Pakistan has a 777. Turkmenistan. But we want Turkmenistan Airlines. Nice. What else? Saudi. LR no. MEA no. Qatar. Kuwait Airways. Kuwait Airways, Qatar. Oman, no, they don't have 777s. Iran, no. By the way, check out my new Iran unboxing video. Right, let's move on to China. there's a lot of Chinese airlines. China Eastern, China Southern, Air China. I'm pretty sure Air China had the 777s. Sichuan? I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. China Eastern, China Southern. Who else from China? Shanghai Airlines? No, they have A350. My brain isn't working. Let's have a think. 27 more we have to get. Is there any more from Europe? Austrian KLM. I don't know. Iceland has 757 and 767. But the 777, there will probably be some small airline as well, having like 1 or 2 777s. Nok Air? Is that an airline? Nok Air? I don't know. I'm pretty sure there was an airline like that. Who else is there with 777s? So far we've got Aeroflot, China, and India, Egypt, Etihad, Emirates, Japan, KLM, Tag United. Honestly, where's my time gone? Thank you. My time is gone again. Honestly, I don't know. Sorry. Right there. Can't think. Malaysian, it doesn't accept it. I don't know why. Thai has it. No Qantas and New Zealand. Is there any more American airlines that have it? Any more airlines from US? I don't think so. American Delta United. I don't think there's any more European either. TAP Air Portugal doesn't have a 777. Egypt. Oh my goodness, 57. Come on, 25 to get in 7 minutes. I'm just trying to think. Austrian KLM. Oh, this is hard. This is a hard quiz. And it's as of 2020 as well. Anyone? Pakistan International Airlines, because it might not accept PIA, yeah, but it accepts the full. Biman, Bangladesh. Yeah, they've got 777s. Wasn't there another African airline that had it? Not Mauritius, but Kenya, Tag, Egypt, Ethiopian. They have Dreamliners. Yeah, Ethiopian. They have 777s as well. Oh, this Peace, Air Peace, I think it's called, from Nigeria. Yeah, Air Peace. Is there any more in Europe? I don't think so. Because Finnair doesn't have it. SAS doesn't. Lufthansa Cargo there is. We'll try FedEx. No, there's no cargo airlines. So 20 more passenger airlines to get in 5 minutes, 45 seconds. Who else is there flying there? 777. Oh, Asiana Airlines. Some of these might not fly it anymore, but they used to back in 2020. I don't know, honestly. Because Qantas doesn't have it. Hawaiian, no. Nippon we've got. Thai we have. Vietnam. I think Vietnam Airlines have it. No? No, they have A350s in it. Who else? We've got Turkmenistan. I don't know, Turkish, but we have that. I honestly don't know. I don't want to give up. I'll keep thinking. No Eurowings. This is hard, I'm telling you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I have to get 19 more. Maybe these are like small airlines that have 1 or 2 777s. Probably they are. And Zimbabwe. How about that? I know they had 1 777 in the past. I don't think Madagascar. I know they had an A340. 777 Latam. Who else is there from Americas that might have it? I think that's it. Avianca. No, I thought Avianca had a 777. Maybe there was someone else who had a red 777. No Aer Lingus. I don't know, honestly. Ugh. I don't want to give up. Why does it not accept Malaysian Airlines though? Malaysian Airlines system. Okay, fine. No Malaysian on the list. Vietnam. Then there's maybe someone else from China. China Airlines. Do we have that? China Airlines. Hong Kong, Cathay Pacific. No, they don't. They used to in the early 2000s, I think, or 90s, but not recently. Air France, KLM, Austrian, Swiss, Alitalia, Aeroflot, Russia. Who else is there? Turkmenistan, then we've got Turkey. El Al is on the list. Wow. They don't fly it anymore, obviously. And now they have Dreamliners, but now make me try Cathay Pacific. It is on. How is that from 2020? How about Iran? Iraqi Airways. Yes, they have they've got 1 777, I think. Is there anyone else from Russia? S7? No S7 Airlines. No. I don't know. Tarom doesn't have it. Lot, no. British Airways we've got. China Southern, China Eastern, Air China, China Airlines. 45 seconds to get to 15 or no. I'll not get all of them. Maybe one more I can think of. Philippine Airlines? Philippine Airlines. Yes, it's on the list. Okay. That's it. 10 seconds. Literally. I'll not get any more. No way. I guess I wanted to type in, but let's see. We got 75%. Not bad. Austral. That was the one African airline I was thinking of. Alexandria Airlines, never heard of it. Azerbaijan, I wouldn't think they have it because I know they had 767s and A340. Azorar, yeah, true that. Seiba Intercontinental, I don't know about that airline. Euro-Atlantic, I don't think that's a thing anymore. Eva, yeah, true. Gina, I don't know. Korean, yeah. Of course, Nordwind. Yeah, but I don't think they exist anymore. Omni, that should be Omni, not Omni. But yeah, I wouldn't think that would be on the list. Ukrainian, Virgin, Australia. Again, that's not a thing. And Zimbabwe Airways. I was typing in Air Zimbabwe. But yeah, there we go. Let's see what the least guessed are. 10% got Air Peace, 1% got Sabre. Like, nobody heard of that airline. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. We got 75%. Maybe in the future I'll take it again and see if I improved. Thank you for watching, Captains, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.